Hi guys, good morning. Look at Goa. He's all ready. Welcome to yet another video of Currynpho. So today, myself, New, Mrs. Curry, and our fur boy Goa. We are heading to LaGi for some peaceful beach time. That's what we are planning to do. We are all ready. Yeah, both of our stuff are in these bags, and we have a laptop bag. Goa is all settled in this box, and off we go. Gonna shoot a little bit of on the way. Yeah, so basically we are ready and about to head out. Let's go. Yeah, that's okay, let him be. Yeah. So finally we are on the road. You don't need to tell him, let him go down when he wants to. Look at our Go boy. I don't know if you guys can see it. So guys, we are reaching Katlai, and I guess it's crazy. I don't think we will pass anytime soon. This is what happens when we go late. Yeah. He is so busy. Nisa, Goa. Okay, guys, time to hit the road. From here to the highway, so many police, especially here. They will have camera somewhere here, and we are about to reach the city like area. Yeah, from there will be always police. I told you. Now I can turn my camera. We are in Phu Mai, my very first location where I stayed long in Vietnam. So that was the apartment where I stayed. You guys can see the Twin Tower. That's the one. Yeah, it was not so developed when I came here those days. So we didn't have this Day Mine Sun. You know, now we have that. There are so many things. Okay, this petrol pump was still there, but you can see that there's a new apartment behind it. You know, new apartment, co-op. The advancements here in Phu Mai is pretty good. Another apartment coming up next to the highway. Tumis. Sounds cool. I see that Phu Mai is gonna get developed pretty well because there's a lot of industrial zone here, and I heard that they are gonna, you know, push more FDI investments around here. Cool, good for Phu Mai. Okay, another couple of minutes more to Baria. Can sit over there. No, just sit there. Just sit there.
What are you doing, Andy?
Reviewing the
The footage on the helmet.
I don't know if you guys can see the mirror, but there, that's what Goa is doing. Long High! That's where we're heading to. So we are now from Baria, we are on the way to Long High. We are almost, we are in Long High at the moment. but the summer heat is just started to kick in, you know. Today it's gonna be like 36 degrees Celsius, which is actually gonna be crazy. Yeah, so before it hits 1 o'clock, I would like to woohoo! Woo! You wanna stop, take photo? Oi, 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 oi. That's the view. That's Long High. Hope you guys can see this. It's so beautiful. Okay. Okay. Basically, there's very less number of people on this way. I chose this way majorly through the coast, so it adds up another 40 odd kilometers. So yeah, less people this way. So this is like the center of Ho Cham, I guess. You know, Ho Cham walking street. It's like Ho Cham walking street. You know? The big sign. Whoa, Nungoy! Welcome to Ho Cham. Check that out, guys. Check that out. I hope you guys can see this. Oh my goodness. I never get tired of these views. I don't know why. Wanna sit here? Yeah? Probably this is the name, Farmstay LaGi. This one?
Yeah.
Guys, so finally we reached the destination. So next up is to check out this place. That's another video.